What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh, and today we're installing Tommy L Garage's custom mud flaps. Let's hop right in. Alright, so here they are, the two smaller ones for the front, the two bigger ones for the back. And Tommy's nice enough to send over some rivets and screws as well. And the reason why I was going for this, and I'll show you in a second, is because one, they're super it's like a less is more type thing. They're sleek, they're simple, but they get the job done. So I'm really excited for this just because just the functionality of being able to keep the sides, the rear panels and the sides just nice and clean, because there's always like dirt splashing up here. So one of the main reasons I wanted to do this. As you can see, all up in here is so dirty. So we're going to cover that up, so it's going to also, kill two birds with one stone. Also the functionality of keeping, the side skirts nice and clean, but then also to cover up that as well, because it's a little gross. So to get started, we're going to take off these two rivets right here. Let's get started. Alright, so the first two are on. A very simple, subtle look, and that's exactly what we want. It's perfect. Alright, so not bad. It's actually super easy, just getting tires off. It's a pain in the ass for me. I don't know if it's just me or what, but it looks good. Well worth the hassle of getting the tires off. Alright, note to self. We got the second back tire off. I don't know if it's just me, but these tires were the biggest pain in the ass to get off. Note to self, lug conversion kit. Oh my god, it will save you the biggest headaches ever with these tires. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if it's just me. And my back tires, it's just all my tires are a pain in the ass to get off. They just do not want to come off. But hey, I'm putting in that work on a Saturday morning. Alright, so as you guys can see, it gets the job done. It saves the side skirts from getting all dirt and muck and everything all splashed up on the panels, and yeah. The simplicity, the subtleness, the functionality, these are perfect. So once again, huge shout out to Tommy L Garage. I appreciate you, my friend. Really can't beat it for the deal. These mud flaps are just absolute steel, really. So if you guys are interested, obviously links will be in the description. What these mud flaps doing, a hell of a job. Really can't beat it. So once again, huge shout out to Tommy L Garage. Hit him up if you were interested in these custom mud flaps. You really can't beat it. It's a very good bang for the buck. It's really a steal, honestly, for how subtle and simple, but great functionality that these offer. So yeah, once again, links are in the description.